the legal entity reporting project really used the best people, the best processes, and the best systems to take what we have, Excel spreadsheet, and made it into an automated financial reporting system.
Before, it was a highly manual process to get them, really ripping apart the management reporting statements and changing them to a format that would fit the compliance needs.
The specific people on the project were very good at meeting with me one-to-one, explaining things, helping me to understand the decisions and choices that we had to make, just what the implications and impact of those would be.
The project methodology was very much visible. It worked very well, especially when it came to the execution of the project, because it came to testing and rolling things out, things went relatively smoothly.
And also, we defined our global standards and processes that can make Precision Drilling a more efficient and successful company.